Hello Schubert friends, welcome to our new tutorial. My name is Martin and I'd like to show you what I do with those tools here and with those helmet. First of all, I'd like to show you how to get your helmet cleaned from the outside. Maybe on the visor you have a lot of mosquitoes and insects and things like that. Use a towel, use only lukewarm water inside and put the paper towel into the lukewarm water and leave it a few seconds on the visor. To clean the helmet shell, use also a paper towel, put it into lukewarm water and leave it also a few seconds on the whole shell. To get it cleaned very well and without any chemical things, you can wash the insects and the dirt from the helmet fully away, as well from the visor. To clean the insects from the head ventilation or from the chin ventilation, first of all remove the head ventilation by pushing the slider forward, lift the hood and press it from the back side to the front and remove the head ventilation. To get it cleaned, all the holes here and here, put a Q-tip into lukewarm water and wash the insects away. You can move the slider and you can easily clean also the opening free from insects. For the chin ventilation, open it and clean those areas similar. And if you have insects inside here, you can easily use the Q-tip too. Install the head ventilation by putting it on the helmet shell and press it forward. Move the slider and that's it. To get the helmet dry, use the microfabric towel and dry the visor, dry the helmet shell. And that's it. You have already a clear view.